Hello beautiful people, Merry Christmas in advance. So today we are going to be making this beautiful and yummy Christmas fruit cake. So we are going to make this fruit cake and enjoy it this Christmas season. I hope you also do the same and enjoy with your family this Christmas season. So you can see I've added my butter and my margarine, and I'm going to stir this to fully incorporate. I'm using my turning stick to mix this. How are we all doing this Christmas season? I hope we enjoy this Christmas with joy and happiness. At this point, you can see how the butter and the margarine looks like. So I'm going to start adding my eggs one at a time. I'm using 4 eggs. I'm going to use this to fully incorporate. You can also use whisk to do this. I'm going to add another one. I'm adding the 2 at once. And I'll continue mixing it very well. So I'm going to start adding my flour. So in here, I have flour, I have lemon zest, I have cinnamon, ginger powder, nutmeg, and baking powder. I'm going to add this in bits. I'm also going to add black treacle. If you want a darker color, you can add more. I'm adding half teaspoon of black treacle, and I'm going to continue mixing. I want this to be dark in color, so I'm going to add another tablespoon. I want the color to be very dark. And I'm going to add the rest of my flour. I'm not adding water or milk to this recipe, and I'm going to use only orange juice. And I'll go on mixing. In here is my raisin, so I'm going to add some of it. I soaked it in dark rum. So I'm done mixing, and I'm going to pour this into my pan. You can see what the mixture looks like. Get this in these 4 peppers. So I'm going to transfer it into these peppers. These are my butter, and I'm going to top it with these nuts. This is Christmas fruit cake. This is pecans. So this is going to go into the oven right now. You can see how beautiful this looks. Let's bake this. This is, you can see our Christmas fruit cake is ready. This is what it looks like. So yummy. Thanks for watching my video. Merry Christmas to you all. See you in my next video. Bye. Hope you try this recipe and tell me what it looks like. Bye.